Let's contour with Airbrush, starting with Porcelain Primer to smooth my pores. Now I'm going to use Airbrush Blush on my cheekbones to add some color and shape to my face. Now I'm adding matte bronzer underneath my chin and on my forehead to add some more shape to my face. To apply the Rose 4-in-1 foundation, I'm going to use the cordless Breeze system. Of course, I can continue to use the Icon for foundation, but I wanted to show you guys another one of my amazing airbrush systems. And of course, the same rules apply for every airbrush system. Always keep it moving in circular motions and never stay in one spot for too long. To add a little bit of a dewy glow, I'm applying Love Illuminator on my brow bone, cheekbones, nose, and chin. And of course, gotta apply some lip jelly. Now to hold my amazing look all day long, I'm using the Final Seal Setting Spray. Look at this glow up. And it was so simple, thanks to my airbrush systems.